Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're going down to Las Vegas, Nevada. First up, Mookie and I are going to make a drink. Now you might have noticed Mookie has her Hawaiian dress on. A lot of people think Mookie's a boy because she's always wearing Hawaiian shirts. So my mom got her a Hawaiian dress from Hawaii. Isn't that right, Mookie? Mookie's watching baseball right now. All right, we're going to make a drink. This is called an Arc de Triomphe. Now, this is a shaken drink, but we got our shaker is in the shop right now. So I'm just going to heavily stir it. So I just got a glass full of ice. We'll go 2 ounces of Calvados. And then I think this is an older recipe because it calls for a teaspoon of sugar. Normally you'd use simple syrup, but we'll go with the traditional recipe, and that's a teaspoon of sugar and a 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. And we'll give that a stir. Because I'm using sugar, I want to give that a really good stir. And then I got a nice tiki umbrella as a garnish. And that's Arc de Triomphe. Coming up next, we're going down to Vegas. We're going to go check out the Silverton Casino. Back in March 2019, I had a full week booked there. And if you recognize the date, March 2019, the whole world shut down. My trip got canceled. I never did get to go stay there. I love the place. They had a fantastic Hawaiian buffet. Of course, since the pandemic, they no longer have a buffet there like most casinos. But I think they still might have the Mermaid Bar. So I'll just pull this up. So this is the Silverton Casino, and it's way far south down on the strip, way past the Luxor, and actually it's a little bit off the strip. And it says Silverton. Oh, they have it says Mermaid Restaurant and Lounge. They're open Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. I think the mermaid hours are 5 p.m. to midnight on Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. And then Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. midnight. It says, come on over. The view is spectacular. So this is the Mermaid's Restaurant and Lounge. The dining and lounge experience is like no other, with a view of beautiful mermaids and thousands of tropical fish. With exotic ocean life as your dining companions, Mermaid Restaurant and Lounge is among the most unique restaurants off the Las Vegas Strip. Enjoy the view while you indulge in pizza, burgers, and more. And it says grab a pint of Pacifico for only $2.50. So we'll be doing that. I don't know if I'll be able to go during the times of the mermaids, but we will see what we can do. We'll check out the casino. We'll check out the other dining options. So again, that's my Arc de Triomphe. And we're off to Las Vegas, so check it out. watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar, Las Vegas edition. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.